spiritual unity is a spiritual path that is totally spirit-centered. It's not person-centered. And you could say it's not like God-centered in the religious sense. It is spirit-centered, and it is about spirit being the totality of your being. The true self. We also call spirit higher self in many quarters. So it is about recognizing who we really are as a being, which is far, far more than the personality we have developed during our life, because it precedes this life. And the premise is that as a being, we are immortal, as is existence itself, as is the divine wholeness, the oneness. It's timeless, beyond time and space. And that we are here incarnated in this physical form for a duration to accomplish a spiritual task, which is essentially to grow. But it's where we as spirits can cultivate our capacity to act spiritually, to act according to our true nature, in spite of both the circumstances around us and the personality that we have developed due to our conditioning during childhood. That in spite of all that information, we can still penetrate through that. Our spirit can penetrate through that with its consciousness, its capacity for love, its capacity for presence, understanding, and all the rest, and act accordingly. So it's in a way, how can we, as a spiritual being, act according to the love nature of our spirit, and that show itself in the world. So that it's a basic premise to others. And the more spiritually aware we can become, the more of service we can also be to others, which is not self-serving. It doesn't profit us. It's simply to help others. But by doing so, that enables us to develop spiritually, because it allows us to cultivate and then maintain our spiritual nature